studying UKG D section. My name is Dishan. I am studying UKG D section. Rhymes. Little boy blue, come blow your heart. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow in the car. There is the barn that looks after the sheep. She under the astra, fast as sheep. Will you wait in no time? For you start to cry. Simple Simon, Media Paiman, going to the fire. Said Simple Simon to the pieman, let me taste your wrath. Said the pieman to Simple Simon, show me first your penny. Said Simple Simon to the pieman, in me I have not any. Three blind mice, Shout they run, ran after the farmer wife, who cut off the tail, carrying nice. You are taking such a your life as three blind mice. There was an old woman and lived in your shoe. She had so many children, she did not know what to do. She gave them some broth without any bread. She whipped her soundly and put them to bed. The cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon, the little love laughed to the cat, and the fish ran away with the spoon. Thank you.
உங்கள் குழந்தையின் வளமான எதிர்காலத்தை பெற நாலந்தாவில் இன்றே சேருங்கள். நாலந்தா பப்ளிக் ஸ்கூல், ஆற்காடு சாலை, பூதேரி, புல்லவாக்கம், செய்யாறு. இந்த ஆண்டிற்கான அட்மிஷன் நடைபெறுகிறது. மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு 9865843268, 9677463749. நாலந்தா, நாளைய தலைவர்களின் நாற்றங்கால்.